Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy! How you all doing? You alright? Got a little treat for you today. Well, I say it's a little treat. My plant is sick. It's not doing too great. I think what's happened is, well, basically, it was in this pot here last year and it wasn't doing that great. It was just suffocating. It just needed a repot. And I didn't have a pot at the time a bigger pot at the time to put it into. So I put it in this tray and completely didn't pay any attention to what soil I was using, because I just put it in straight soil with some perlite, not much perlite, but just some straight soil just to get the roots going again. And it's been out all winter. And I think it's either got root rot or it's got it's just in the wrong soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of here. I'm going to give it a dip today. I'm going to dip it in hydrogen peroxide and water mixed 30 to 70, 30-70. So I'm going to dip it. I'm only going to dip it for about 30 seconds to a minute and then take it out and give it a little wash. Dry it out a little bit and then give it a little wash. Then I'm going to put it in the soil and hopefully give it a little trim. I think it needs, because it's not well, I think it needs to be trimmed back, and hopefully it will come back into better condition. This is a Boxwood, I believe. This is what we use in the UK for hedging. And it was a present from the missus. So I need to get it back up to health, otherwise she's going to kill me. So let's get on with it. Let's go. Right guys, so I've got you in a little bit closer there. I'm just going to, I know there's no real roots around this bit, so I'm just going to sort of pull everything over and just lift this out and have a look, and we'll take a look and see what the roots are doing. Oh, it's not actually doing that bad, to be honest. It looks all right. Don't know what's happening to it then. Roots are growing well. There's a bit of a worry that it's gone this colour. It may be because of we've had a pretty hard winter here. It's been cold a lot here, so, and it's not really brightened up this year so far. I'm just going to get rid of all this soil because I want fresh stuff in it. So that's not actually looking so drastically bad. Quite surprised about that. There's no root rot. And I'm toying with the idea of even giving it a dip now, to be honest. It's looking quite fine. I mean, all the soil's falling out nicely. You know what? Sometimes when you're in doubt, it's a bit hard to know what to do, you know. As you can see, the roots are looking quite healthy, and it's definitely not root rot, because these wouldn't be looking like this if it was root rot. It'd be all smelly. Doesn't smell, smells nice and fresh. Will it go back in that pot? It probably would go back in that pot, but I'd have to chop off all my roots, and I just got my roots back, so it's definitely not going to go back in there. But that's not a bad little pot for it. It's got plenty of space in there. I know it's a plastic one, but just going to leave that to one side. Get this out of the way. And we've got our new soil just in here. So I'm just going to put some wire in there. I'm not too fussed about the wire, but I should do it really, so I'm going to do it. Layer of soil. And then we're going to put our tree in. Like I say, I definitely don't need to dip this, so there's absolutely no point in me doing that. I'm just gonna, I mean, that wire's doing nothing, that's pointless, that wire. So I'm gonna take that one out, move it over slightly, and I'll use this one. There you go, that should be fine. So now we're going to fill this with soil. Just to let you know, guys, that it will nearly be time for a pit fire soon, so it shouldn't be too much longer. And what I'm waiting for basically is the right day, the right sort of weather. It's got to be about at least sort of 15 degrees, 15, 16 or 17 degrees, something like around that mark. Nice warm day, and then what I'll do is I'll put it in the oven for a couple of hours. I'll show you what I'm going to do, but I'll put it in the oven for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to pit fire it and do my first kiln pit fire. It won't be the finished article, because there'll be another firing after that. The first one is just purely for to kiln dry it, so it's completely dry, so that I can put glazes on and start to colour it. Should have my chopstick ready, but I don't know where it is. I'll use a spoon instead, eh? Right, so that's not looking too bad. Get this tray out of the way, and then we're going to give it a little trim. Alright guys, so I've got you in there nice and close. And first off, I'm just going to go around I'm going to take off all the big old leaves. You can tell what how the old leaves are, because they're all a different green, and I've got like a yellowy green going on the others. I'm just going to snip this right there and this one there. These two are crossing. It's like it's crossing, so I'm going to get rid of that one pointing up and that one pointing up and that one crossing there. I'm going to trim this one back to there. Just going to get rid of that whole branch there, like so, and that opens up that so I can see it a lot more. Get rid of that. Might actually just take that off there. Right, so there we go, guys. That's our trimming done. I'm going to give this a real good water now. There we go, guys. There's my Boxwood attempt at saving me tree. It wasn't that bad, to be honest. The roots were all right. So I'm not sure what's going on with it. I think probably. Sorry, I just saw another one crossing over there. I might as well snip that one off. That one. I don't know what's quite what's going on with it, but it must have got cold or something like that. Hopefully it will spring back now and give me a real good show in the summer. Hopefully I've done the best for it. I didn't need to bleach it in the end. I didn't need to hydrogen peroxide it because the roots were absolutely fine. So I'm going to give this a really good watering now, and keep your eye out for a couple of videos coming up. I'm going to do my first root over rock, and hopefully it'll be a nice one. And we're going to get the pit fire done soon, so hopefully that'll work out as well, and we'll have some pots. Right, I'll see you later on, guys. Take care. Ta-da.